Hello everyone. Wesley from the Btune, a Web3 comic platform. So glad to be here and introduce you about our project, empowering during the Cardano comic revolution. So first, let me talk about why we come to the idea. The comic market is really big and have potential, but unfortunately, many artists receive less than they deserve due to various challenges. They had to build their own reputation and gain fame before media company invest in them. Even on popular platforms like Webtoon, artists need to reach the 1,000 subscribers and 14,000 baby monthly to be eligible for sharing ad revenue. Furthermore, other platforms exploit artistic work without providing any compensation. So this situation is exacerbated by the fact that even successful series face struggle and may have to be put on hold or discontinued despite having a dedicated fan base. So, to our solution, Midtune is the empowering Web3 platform for comic artists around the world that can help turn their dream into reality from the very beginning using Cardano SPO and smart contract. This also brings sustainable benefits for Cardano ecosystem. Unlike other current Web2 comic platforms that still enrough their creative works, Midtune will have them connect with investors to Cardano SPO so they can raise funds from the very beginning until they become famous. I think also by fairly as a model as Spotify and OnlyFans do on our platform, we also use a recommendation similar to Netflix to ensure artists will reach the right audience who love their series. That way, we absolutely empower artists and connect them with fans who appreciate their work. So, in this project, we not only focus on develop the product, we building our artistic community online on platforms like Facebook, Reddit, Twitter, and offline to artistic club, community, and comic event. By the end of segment, and when we complete our MVP, we will start educating and involving the artist to collaborate with us. So we a team with dedicated professional deeply passionate about comic industry, and we can confident in our ability to achieve success. Moreover, we receive some practical support from influencer figure from Vietnam. So I meet the team from Canada to VN. So share them our vision, join us, and support the transformative journeys by voting for our proposal. It's empowering during the Cardinal Public Revolution. Thank for your attention.
Excellent. Thank you so much.